80 animals.
Cow.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? It's good to be with you again. Today we'll learn about cows. This is a cow. It lives on a farm. First, we will learn some words using pictures.
Farm. A farm is an area of land. We use a farm to grow crops or raise animals. In the picture, we see wheat and a sheep on a farm. Raise. If someone raises a child, she looks after the child until it grows up. If you raise an animal, you take care of the animal. In the picture, the mom will raise the baby. Dairy. The cow shows some dairy foods. Dairy is made from milk. Milk and cheese in the picture are dairy foods. Some other dairy foods are yogurt and butter.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Dairy. Raise. Farm.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
What is the largest animal on a farm? It is a cow. A cow is a very helpful animal. It works in the field. It can pull a cart to help people do farm work. Farmers also raise cows to get meat. The meat is called beef. Some farmers raise cows to get milk. We drink the milk from those cows. Food made of milk is called a dairy product. Cheese and yogurt are dairy products. Do you know what a calf is? A baby cow is a calf.
What is cow meat called? Beef. Cheese. Where do we raise cows? On a farm. In a house. What is true? Dairy food is made of milk. People just raise a cow to get its meat.
Did you enjoy the class? I did too. This is the end of our lesson. Good job today. Bye.